Good evening. Welcome back to my class.
Good evening.
Yes, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How
Oh,
are you?
yeah, doing great. Thanks for asking. It's good to see you again. You look so good. Are are you at home right now? Are you in your
Yeah.
house? Okay. So, how is it going? Did you enjoy your activities today?
Yes, it's as usual. Actually, I have to take a class for university,
Oh,
and
wow.
but it's too hard today.
It's too hard today. What happened?
Yeah, because in Japan,
Hmm.
in June we don't have such a high temperature like
Ah,
30
yes.
degree or
That's
so,
right.
but now it's 30 degrees and it's the same temperature as dry
I
or
see.
August, so it's
Okay.
too hot for me. But
It's very
in your country,
challenging.
it's much hotter, right?
Yes. But actually now it started to become, like cooler. Maybe
Uh-huh.
down from 36 down to maybe 32, maybe today, something like
Mm-hmm.
that. So,
When is the hottest time?
we're almost done. Actually, this is the last part of summer, so we are now entering the
Mm-hmm.
rainy season.
Okay.
So it's becoming cold and colder.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see. Mm-hmm.
we are experiencing some rains now, so it's a lot better for me too. But I don't like typhoons. Just the
Yeah, I
typhoons.
know.
Yeah, like the end part of the year,
Mm-hmm.
most of the time typhoons are coming to the Philippines, so that's the problem. Especially,
Does typhoon come so
yeah,
often?
November, something like that. November, December, yeah. Start of September, October, November, December. So typhoons are coming
Mm-hmm.
in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope this year there will be no typhoons.
No typhoon.
Okay, yeah. All right. So I can see you chose tab 5-minute discussion. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we have two topics again for this lesson. So what will be our first topic?
Uh, which one do you want to?
Really? You want me to choose? Ah,
Yeah.
I like this one. How about education?
Okay.
All right, let's talk about education. I'm an educator, so
Mm-hmm.
I like this topic, of course. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I'll be asking you question and some follow-up questions to expand our discussion, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's start with number one. What do you think of your country's education system?
Uh, okay. Personally, I don't think Japanese education system is good.
Okay.
This
Um, mhm.
this is because we like too passive. Our education
Passive.
system
Mm.
is, yeah, too passive.
Mhm,
Like
mhm.
we listen to what teacher says and then write it
Oh,
down
okay.
on notebooks and then
Mhm.
answer the questions on textbook. So
All right.
yeah, I feel like I'm doing
Mhm.
what I was told to
Yeah,
do.
like a
So
tradition,
I
right?
don't, yeah,
So
yeah, it's
traditional.
traditional. Yeah.
Traditional. That's right. That's right. Okay. Yeah. Um, Probably because it works in the past, right? It works in the
Yeah, yeah,
past,
sure.
so they think because it works in the past, and they think it is good and better until now.
Yes, and
But the
I
world
don't
is
think
changing,
it's
right?
totally not good.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think, yeah, it really works. Like because
Mm-hmm.
of that educational system, probably Japan has
Mm.
one of the highest rank
You
in,
see?
yeah,
So that's
education.
why. That's
Yeah,
why, right?
I
That's.
know, but yeah, but I don't think we we are not judged by our like knowledge,
Mm.
just knowledge, right?
Okay.
We sometimes be judged from our ability to think creatively or think
Wow.
positively or you know
I like that
but
answer. Yes. Yeah. Because the traditional educators, they really want everything like in order, okay? Like to
Mhm.
follow all the rules in
Mhm.
school, like doing the assignments, doing the projects, time
Yes,
time for everything and something like that. Very organized, right?
very organized.
Yeah, very organized.
And also I think when
Mm-hmm.
I become a worker, like then
Mm-hmm.
as students, I do something that
Mm-hmm.
has a clear answer. Like
Mm-hmm.
in this question, you should answer like this, but in the
Ah,
real world, we don't have that right because
oh,
our
I see, I see.
adult says to me, like,
Mm-hmm.
you shouldn't seek for right answers
I
because
see.
there is no right answers, and so
Okay, that's true.
yeah, we sometimes think out of the box.
That's right. That's right. So, yep, the modern education says that there is no such thing as the only answer.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like it depends on your philosophy.
Mhm.
It depends on what works for you, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
But the old traditional says this is the only answer, this is the standard, and you must follow
Mhm.
it,
Yeah.
right? Um, when I was watching like videos about education, teaching in school, like
Mhm.
the traditional would base it only on the result of the test, right?
Yes.
Yes. And so, for
True that.
example, this final test, this very important test, if you will not pass
Mhm.
on this, it will affect your future, something like that.
Mhm.
And everybody, all the students are afraid.
Yeah.
But the modern the educators will not base your future on the test.
Mhm.
No, because there are so many talents, creativity, innovations that the test cannot portray or cannot show.
Mhm.
There are so many hidden talents
Yeah.
within the students.
I
Uh,
totally agree with that.
yeah. So the test, is limited.
Mhm.
It's very limited. And others can even copy the answers, right?
Yes,
It
and
can Somebody can cheat.
it's just temporary knowledge.
Yes,
Like
temporary
because
now.
if I, climb the
Yeah,
textbook, or then
that's true.
after
That's true.
finish the test, I
Yeah,
totally forget what
that,
I've learned.
that's true.
Yeah.
So, where is the application then, right? Where
Mhm.
is the application? So, application is very important, very much important.
Mm.
And also, what do you call this? The retention. Okay,
Retention. Mhm.
retention of knowledge is important, but how? Retention of learning, yeah, of learning
Mhm.
is important,
Yeah.
but how can it be? Like, how can we achieve retention?
Mhm.
Like, just like what you've said, you have studied a lot for the exam, give your
Yeah.
time, your energy for the exam, but after the exam, you forgot everything.
Yeah.
So, where is retention of learning?
Yeah. To retain our knowledge, then
Mm,
yeah, it's
that's true.
definitely the only way is using that knowledge in practice.
That's true.
So I think school should provide opportunity
That's right.
to use it in real world, like probably internship.
That's true. That's true. Have you heard about Robert Kiyosaki? Kiyosaki.
Mm-hmm.
Robert is a Japanese, right?
Yes,
Robert Kiyosaki. Wow, amazing, amazing.
rich dad,
Rich
poor
dad, poor
dad,
dad.
right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Oh, his principle so amazing, and he doesn't believe in the education system nowadays. He
Mm-hmm.
said it's irrelevant Education
Mhm.
system is irrelevant nowadays. You know,
Mhm.
you are studying something that you cannot even apply to your daily life
Mhm.
situation. Like he asked one of his teachers, like,
Mhm.
"Why are we studying calculus?" Um, he asked his teacher, and he said, "Can I,
Mhm.
am I going to use this?" Uh,
Mhm.
and the teacher said, "No." And then he said, "Why are we studying this?"
Yes, true.
He said, "Because it's a requirement." Yeah,
Yeah, but that's the problem.
yeah,
Yeah, if teacher has good answers, then
yeah.
children will more likely to study hard
That's
because
true.
they know they will use it in some situations.
Yes, 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 yes. And he call those teachers who don't really know what they're teaching. I mean, it's not their job. For example, if I'm teaching accounting
Mhm.
and I'm not an accountant,
Mhm.
so Robert Kiyosaki said it's they are fake teachers
Mhm.
because it's
Because
not
they don't
really,
know
yeah,
how
they don't
to
know
apply
really,
it.
yeah, how to apply it. That's true. Yes, that's right. So yeah, application is very essential or vital in
Yeah,
education.
but education is for our future, right? So
Right, right.
we should definitely, yeah, tell our students how to use it in the future, or
That's
they
right.
can find meaning.
Yes, to find meaning. That's right. Like for
Yeah.
example, in math, right? Do you like
Mhm.
mathematics? Mathematics. Do you like subject math?
Yes.
Mm. You like math? Why do you like math? I may ask.
Uh, why do I like?
Yeah.
Because,
Why do you like
uh,
math?
because it's so logical. I
It's
mean, it
logical.
has, yeah, their own reasoning system,
Mm,
and
I
it's
see.
so like clear and sometimes beautiful. Like if I
Okay, that's
close
good.
something on the math test, then I have to say like that, then like
All
this, and
right.
there's always their own
Wow.
logic.
So
So
you personally like and enjoy mathematics.
yeah,
That's good.
I'm
That's good.
a kind of logical person,
Wow. I
not
like that.
like emotional.
Yeah, logical person. I like that. Yes. Actually, that is very nice if you like math personally because you are a logical person. But others like they just like math because of their teachers, because the
Mm-hmm.
math teacher was good. But
Mm-hmm.
when for example, when he went to another grade, higher grade, and then the math
Mm-hmm.
teacher was not good, it
Mm-hmm.
was boring, so he got bored about math.
Yeah, that can happen
Yeah.
because yeah, I experienced the same thing because
Yes.
I don't like physics because I don't like physics teacher.
Personally, I experienced that as well. Uh,
Right.
During elementary years, I really like math because I like also my teacher in math. She's very
Mhm.
good in teaching. But in high school as well, yes, I have good math teachers. That's
Mhm.
why I thought, I said to myself, I told myself, I want to be a math teacher because of my math
Mm.
teacher in high school. But when I was in college, and I'm
Mhm.
already a math major student
Mhm.
in college, oh my, when I met these teachers were really boring teachers when it comes to math.
Mhm.
So it's like
Yeah,
I
feel.
regretted.
I
Eh,
know, and
Yeah.
college studying is so difficult. So
Yeah.
yeah.
When you're in college and the teachers are so traditional,
Mhm.
you, it, it's like the feeling of the students, you are being punished all the time. You're being punished. You don't
Mhm.
enjoy the subject. You don't enjoy the lesson. You're being punished.
Mhm.
It,
Mhm.
they'll just give you all the burdens, all the
Yeah.
difficulties. But you know, when I when I taught before, I don't want to be like that.
Mhm.
I don't give so many assignments or projects that it will not actually help them. Sometimes,
Mhm.
sometimes children are doing some assignments or doing projects which they don't even learn from it.
Mhm.
It's a waste of time, right? It's a waste of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, one project is enough, and that project is they became creative. They learn something about the project,
Mhm.
but not
Mhm.
giving project for the sake of project.
Oh, yes, true, true.
Yeah, I don't like
That's
that.
true.
I don't like that because I used to be a student and I know the burden.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And also,
Right.
I think,
Mm.
teachers give the same task to
Ah,
every student, so that's also another problem because, each student has different features.
yeah.
So, yeah, probably naturally smart kids, they can do much
Mm.
better
Mm.
and they can do their task much faster than others,
Yes.
but
Exactly.
still, they, you know, teachers give them the same problem set.
Yeah.
So,
That's why in my case, like say for example, my kids, I don't force
mhm,
them. I don't force them like hey, you should be the number one. You should be at the top. You should be like this, like that. I don't force them because what I'm just telling them is, yeah, get interested in studying, but
mhm,
don't forget your talents.
mhm,
Don't forget your skills.
mhm,
Be creative. Be creative.
yeah,
Okay? The regret of those who are first honors
mhm,
or first, second, third, they just focus on studying, but they forgot their talents, to develop their talents, their skills,
mhm.
their passions. So they regretted, I miss my talent, other talent, my passion, something like that.
Yeah, yeah, I have the same regrets
Yeah.
too. Yeah, because I was a kid who followed everything that my
Mm,
parents and teachers told. And yeah, I studied really hard and actually I got like number one
mm,
or like that. But
yes.
now that I'm kind of regretting that
Mm,
because I don't I realize that just studying can't make anything. Like,
yeah.
by using what I learned, it's really important to think about what I want to do by using what I learned.
Yeah.
So I have to always think of what I'm really interested in
That's
first,
right.
and
That's
then
right.
yeah, we should start studying for that career path
Yeah.
or my passion. So it's the other way around.
It's the other way around. Exactly. That's the
Yeah.
regret.